Aprilia RS-V4. It's been a long time ago when the RS-V4 was revealed, and interestingly, it is still sold in the same generation up to the date. Its V4 engine has been tuned to provide over 200 horsepower, making it just enough fast to cross the 300 km/h mark. BMW S1000RR. The S1000RR was the first attempt to produce a proper modern superbike by BMW, and what a bike it was back then 10 years ago. It came fully loaded and it definitely shuffled cars good in the segment. The bike itself should be good for up to 306 km/h unlimited. Ducati Panigale V4S. The new Panigale V4 is a beast, but who would expect something else from Ducati, right? Alongside the base model, the Speciale was introduced right away with 214 horsepower, possibly with up to 226, equipped with a Ducati performance exhaust. This portion of power makes it easy to reach 307 km/h. MV Agusta F4 RR. 12 years ago, MV Agusta prepared a special version of the F4 RR dubbed the 312, as it was capable of the 312 km/h of top speed. The model was updated in 2009, featuring an enlarged engine from 998 to 1078cc, having 190 horsepower. Suzuki GSX-R 1300 Hayabusa. Named after a peregrine falcon, known as a Hayabusa in Japanese, Suzuki's Hayabusa cannot fly up to 390 km/h, but it was the first bike to exceed the 300 km/h mark. Soon after, the gentleman's agreement was set to limit all bikes at 299 from stock. Ducati Panigale R. The Panigale R represents the best what money could buy back in the previous Panigale generation. The engine was slightly smaller than the 299s, but it had lightened internals, carbon fiber bodywork, and 202 horsepower with the terminally track-only exhaust. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R. The ZX-14R has the largest engine from the whole Ninja lineup. At the same time, it is the fastest tourer with normal aspiration, previously with the unit smaller just by 89cc. However, now there is 10 more horsepower and up to 345 km/h top speed. Kawasaki Ninja H2. The ZX-14R is a boring bike next to the H2, equipped with a stock supercharger. Its power is at the same level, and interestingly it has even lower torque, but that swishing sound of a centrifugal supercharger is cool, and its body design is rather eye-catching. Lightning LS218. I am not much of an electric cars and motorcycles fan, but fine, they are here. We need to get used to them. This bad boy is not slow and definitely not cheaply made. Besides its ridiculous top speed, it is equipped with an all-in suspension, Brembo brakes, Marquesini wheels, and Android infotainment system. MTTY2K. Again, the MTTY2K is at the top of a motorcycle list. Its engine is an old piece by Allison Engine Company, developed in the 1960s. In 1995, Rolls-Royce acquired Allison, and the engine has been produced in over 30,000 units. It comes from helicopters and has been tuned for 420 horsepower and 678 Nm of torque for the next generation MTT.